Good morning, students. Welcome back to physical education class. Last day we have discussed that ancient Olympic, the starting of ancient Olympic and the ending of ancient Olympic. Today we are discussing about modern Olympic, how it was started and by whom it was started. So let's start. In 1862, January 1st, a child was born in France named B.P.D. Coubertin. Full name Baron Perry D. Coubertin. His family member wanted to join army, that he must join army. That's why they put him in Sainik Academy. He was started in Sainik Academy. After few times or after some times, he left it and he started to study with political science. When he started with political science, he came to know the national and international problems. And he thought that problem can be solved easily with Olympic Games. And this was the imagination of that boy, that ancient Olympic must be restarted. That's why in 1893 he called a meeting, and in meeting Italy, Sweden and some countries are involved, and they agreed. After that, in 16th June 1894, again he called a meeting, and here 13 countries were present, and they took a decision that Olympic must be restarted. Then in 1896, the modern Olympic was started in Athens. For this, B.P.D. Coubertin, that means Baron Perry de Coubertin, was known as father of modern Olympic. In 1895, the French educator Father Didon made a motto for Olympic, Citius Fortius Altius. Faster, higher, stronger. This motto was used for modern Olympic, that you may run faster, you may jump higher, you may throw with stronger, be a stronger. That's why Citius, Fortius and Ontius as a motto Father Didon has made it. And Baron P.D. Coubertin make a suggestion for Olympic flag in 1913. Olympic flag. By B.P.D. Coubertin. B.P.D. Coubertin. In this time, he made a suggestion first. Then, 1914, that flag was inaugurated. But in 1920, that flag was first time hosted. Olympic flag. In Olympic flag, there was 5 interlock rings. The color was 5 colors. The color is 5: black, blue, green, yellow, red. 5 colors are represent 5 continents: America, Australia, Asia, Europe, Africa. That 5 continents are represented through 5 rings and 5 different color rings, interlock rings. That these are make a unity among them. This is the Olympic flag, and these rings are as signified by as a symbol of Olympic. And whenever these rings in present in a white silk, then it is a Olympic flag. And Olympic symbol was also the 5 interlock rings. Then the award. We all know about the award of Olympic Games, that first 3 position holder get the medals, gold, silver and bronze along with the certificates, and next 5 position holders with awarded with the certificate only. These are the awards of modern Olympic. So today we just discuss about how modern Olympic was started and by whom, and what is the motto of modern Olympic, what is the flag of modern Olympic, and what is the symbol of modern Olympic, and award of modern Olympic. So these topics are discussed today. Next we will discuss about another topic of Olympic Games. For today, this much. Thank you.